Welcome back to your girl's channel, peeps. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. So I'm back again with another knotless braid video, this time with a little twist to it. So I'll be doing jumbo knotless braids with the curls at the end. I saw someone with this really cute knotless braid with the curls at the end, but my hair has gotten so thick I can hardly manage it now. I decided to go jumbo size. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I install the hair. A cheat code that I did, I had to let my mom part some sections of my hair because I couldn't manage to do it. So I would braid the hair to a particular length of my liking, and then I would take an elastic band and then I would secure the ends of it, because you know it's braiding, you don't want it to pull out. So the ends that aren't plaited out or braided out is going to be curled with some hair rods. You guys will see the end results at the end of this video, but I basically repeat the steps that I did in the first row throughout the entirety of my head just to achieve the look. My partings aren't that neat and they aren't that equal because I could manage to part my hair so neat myself. So nonetheless, I love the way it turned out, and this is something I would definitely do again, but I would do it a much smaller size. I'm going to tag my other knotless braid video where you can see in much more details the technique that I'm using to achieve this knotless look. I did it in a previous video and it's I slowed it down for you guys. So I'm gonna put the video at the top here so you guys can watch to see the technique and practice. Okay, so while you guys are watching me go through this process, so I had to blow dry my hair first, and then I had to use a heating comb to comb through my hair because the ends of my hair are very knotty. So if the braids that I'm doing aren't small so my hair lies smoothly in it, it's going to be an issue for me if I don't find some sort of way to detangle my ends. I didn't have an actual detangler, but the blow drying and the straightening iron work. However, as the video progresses, you guys are going to see when I hot water it, my hair starts to frizz. So I guess the heat is wearing out. Well, not guess, the heat wore out of my hair once the water touched it. Okay, so I'm down to my last braid, guys. I was so, I'm tired. So from working to doing this video, I had to take a break once I braided in the last braid, and pick up the next morning to style and show you guys what the finished product looks like. So good morning, guys. So I'm finally awake. I was so tired last night. So I'm gonna hot water and put the curly things at the end, and let's see how the style turned out. Yes, I had to tie it down because I didn't want to pull it up, but this is what we're working with this morning. So I'm gonna put these babies in some hot water and I'm gonna clip it up and stuff. I'll be back. I got some curling rods and I put them on the ends that you guys see wasn't braided out. You're gonna see the curls at the end of it, but I just want to say a big shout out to my girl Carrie Ann. Thank you so much for subscribing, because in the middle of doing this video she hooked me up with a detangler remedy, and I just want to say thank you so much, darling, and I definitely will be trying it, okay? Guys, lime and mango anti-itch braid spray is the bomb. No, them not paying me for telling me that, but I have used it so many times and it has definitely helped my scalp with braids. So after I go with my anti-itch braid spray, I go with my mousse, and I use the mousse to kind of give my hair that smooth finished look. And then I attempted to do my edges. I cannot be the only one in this world that only can do the right side of my edges properly, and I cannot do the left side. But for some reason my edges are gonna disappear in this video, but your girl try and she, you know, she trying to look at something, but it never really worked. But the hairstyle came out cute. This is what it looks like, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.